Welcome back. In the earlier video, I talked about the 3 steps of setting up your Spark development environment and also finished implementing the first 2 steps. In this lecture, we are going to do the 3rd step. I am going to help you configure and use PyCharm as your Spark development ID. So, let's start. I'll use the PyCharm Community Edition and assume that you already have PyCharm ID installed on your machine. However, if you do not have it, you can get it from the given URL. We will be using Python as our Spark programming language. And I already recommended Anaconda distribution. So I'm assuming that you also have Anaconda pre-installed on your system. If you have Anaconda and PyCharm installed on your machine, you can use PyCharm for Spark development. No unique setup is required. You can straight away start using it. Let me show you an example to make sure that we can run the test Spark programs using PyCharm. We will learn to create new programs. But for now, let's use an example and test it. All examples and source code of this course are available in a public GitHub repository. You can access it using the following URL. Let me download the example source code. This is going to give you a zip file. Uncompress it and keep it at a safe place. I'm keeping it here. Great. Start your PyCharm ID. Now, we will open the Hello Spark SQL project. Your ID should automatically configure a virtual environment for your example project using the latest version of Python found on your machine. However, all the examples in this course are using Python 3.7. So you need to make sure that your ID is also picking up Python 3.7. You can change it. Go to the File menu and click Settings. Look for your project name and select a project interpreter. Your project interpreter should show Python 3.7. If not, click the Settings button and select Add. I am using Conda Virtual Environment. Change the name of your environment. I am giving a name as PySpark 3. However, you can use whatever name you want. Python version should be 3.7. And make it available to all projects. We will be using the same environment for all the projects. Click OK and the PyCharm will create a Conda-based virtual environment for you. You also need to add PySpark package to your virtual environment. So let me add it. Search for PySpark and install it. That's all, done. Great. The first Spark example is loaded in your IDE. Now we want to run it once. Let me run it. Here is the output. If you see these lines, you are done with the IDE setup. This example is not a stream processing example. However, you are running Apache Spark example from the IDE. And you are all set to run the Spark stream processing applications as well. We will learn to create and run stream processing applications in the following sections. One last thing. You can safely ignore these warnings. They'll keep coming as long as you are using Java 9 or above. I expect the Spark community to fix this problem, but they seem to be ignoring it. If you are using JDK 8, you will not see these warnings. Great. See you again. Keep learning and keep growing.